How to do the right thing the wrong way, part 1. Make sure you're on carpet. No anti-static wrist jobbers, and just kind of go for it. Pop that boy out. Pop that boy out. Make sure you drop the ram. That is what you're supposed to do. Drop it. Make sure you drop it right on the corner of something sharp and like metal. See, look, it dropped it again, but saved by the... Oh, well, this is the worst RAM install ever. Alright. Don't drop this one. This is the one you just paid $60 for. So you push. Oh, you missed the slot. Oh, missed the slot again. Alright, you just kind of click. Click. Do it again. Which way? That way. You know, I never made sure these were the right slots for this motherboard, but I am 95% sure that's close enough.